When life gives you lemons, just add gin. Hey everyone, it's Georgia and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a little vlog at uni, so you can probably tell I'm filming this video at the end of my day because I just forgot to film my intro this morning. But yeah, today's vlog is going to be a little spend the day with me, so it's going to be study with me, it's going to be come to uni with me, that kind of thing. So if you're new here, I'd absolutely love you to stick around, join the little family we have going on by subscribing. Your support honestly means the absolute world, and let's just get on with the video. So I'm just about to head to uni now. I thought I'd just quickly pop on, I don't know where I'm popping on to, but I thought I'd just quickly show you my outfit. So I've got this little top from Pretty Little Thing. It's just like a charcoal grey, like cropped one. Also these are the most comfiest tops like ever. They're only £5, they're like the Pretty Little Thing basic range, but they are so comfy. So yeah, I've got that on, and then I've got just the Pretty Little Thing basic grey joggers on, and then this coat from Zara. So nice, it has the fluffiest hood ever, and then just this little bag because I don't really have my laptop because I'm only working on the psychology computers. I have had a lot of messages asking about kind of uni, and a lot of people who hopefully come into Nottingham next year. So what I'm going to try and do when I get there is just show you a little bit more of the campus. If anyone wants to see like a full-on campus tour, I can definitely do that at some point. But yeah, leave a comment below if you want to see like properly everything, but I'll show you like the psychology buildings. I'll show you a few of the halls if some of you are going into halls. I also am going to go do some work in psychology. So down there is where my old hall was. This hall is Lenton and Wortley Hall, which is also really pretty. And they've got like a really cute cafe through there called Hops, and you can get like paninis, things like that. And like surrounding all the halls, there's always like a nice green area. This is Portland Hill, and this is like where everybody kind of walks from their halls up to Portland Building. And this hill is the worst when you've got a 9 AM lecture, because my hall was just behind those trees. So like when I had a 9 AM, I was literally running up this hill, like about to pass out. I'm even out of breath now. So we're just about to come around to psychology. Yeah, that is the psychology building. Okay, so I'm now home. I've just been to Sainsbury's because I had a dilemma. Do I stay at uni, have some lunch? But I didn't take a packed lunch with me. I don't know why. I forgot. I thought, do I spend like £6 on lunch or I'll just come home? So I've just come home. Been to Sainsbury's, really fancied soup. So I got Heinz tomato soup, which was 95p I think. Little French baguette, which was 50p. So I'm literally so excited. I'm really fancy soup because it's literally about... It's about minus 100 degrees outside basically, so I'm just gonna make this, have lunch. So I'm now back, I've just had lunch. Soup was so good. I feel like it's literally so cold here that soup is just like, it's just the best thing ever. So I just had soup, and now I'm gonna try and do some work in my room this afternoon, just because I can't really be bothered to go back into uni. It's kind of just a waste of time, so I'm gonna just work here for a bit. Okay, so I just need to, before I start working, do a couple of emails. I did this really cool thing, which is called volunteering with the public in psychology through the Nottingham Advantage Award. And if you're coming to Nottingham, I definitely recommend like doing that, because I don't know, I just think it's a really good thing to do. Gets you some volunteering and things, and it also like you get something on the end of your degree. I don't know what it's called, but yeah, so I'm doing that, and I went to this like 3-hour training thing, and it was literally so good. It like trained you how to go into schools and like teach them psychology and what to do, what not to do. It was really interesting, so yeah, I loved that. I just need to quickly email the module leader about something on that, so I'm going to do that, sort that out. Also, I just wanted to quickly mention that this is so good. Laura Mercier Tinted Moisturiser. I started wearing this to uni, and not today, but like days I'm trying to make a bit of an effort, and it feels so light, like it gives you a bit of a tan, and I'm really enjoying this. So I got it in the shade 3N1 Sand, and yeah, it's so good. So I've just popped on the tinted moisturiser just because I had a few spare minutes before I go to the train, but it just gives like a healthy glow. There's literally nothing else on my face. I haven't got any concealer on or anything. So I'm just going to head to the train station, and I'll probably see you there. Hopefully I'm going to have time for a Costa gingerbread hot chocolate, because they're my favourite things in the whole entire world. So sorry, I don't know how to stand because this mirror isn't really a full one. There we go, that's okay. But yeah, hopefully I'm going to have time. Fingers crossed, and I'll see you at the station. Honestly, I've had a bit of a nightmare journey home, literally. And then I have to take 2 trains, so the first train basically got delayed by like 1 minute more than it should have, and I missed the connecting train, and I had to wait for an hour at the station. Not the best, but I've had a hot chocolate. this amount of space on a train is such a luxury, wow. It's all worked out for the best because now I've just got like an empty train, I can just chill, so it's fun. Also, I got this new hat, I'm going to show you. Hopefully you guys like it. Leave a comment there if you like it. If you don't, maybe don't leave that comment. But yeah, this is from Zara. I think it was like £12. Probably seen it on my Instagram. If you don't follow my Instagram, go follow me over there because I post all my up-to-date video kind of update. I literally love it. It's so warm as well, like it keeps your head so warm, and also kind of gave me confirmation that I made the right decision when I saw it on Sophia Tuxford's Instagram. I'm obsessed with her. If anyone else watches Sophia and Cinzia, I honestly love them. So when I saw her wear the grey one, I was like, wow, I made the right decision. I think I pasted this one in it. That also has the coat from Zara that I want to buy. I literally love it, but they didn't have the right size. They only had medium, and medium literally looked so big, so I need to order that. So yeah, even though I don't really have a lot of money because I've literally spent, the other day I went to Spoons. Do you guys know how much money I spent? It's a joke. £62. I can't even cope. I woke up and I was like, right. Went with my boyfriend and then my best friend and her boyfriend, so it was so cute. They went the best night, so I feel like it was worth it. Okay, so I'm now home. We're just watching I'm a Celeb. I've got my G&T. This glass says, when life gives you lemons, just add gin. It's a good motto. But I'm just going to put on a face mask and watch I'm a Celeb. So I'm going to use the Alia skin mask. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it, but I'm hoping it is. And they kindly sent me this, so thank you so much to them. And I used this the other day, like about a week ago, and then I've literally just been washing my face with water and my skin's cleared so much, so I'm going to use it again. I was also thinking I might do like a full skincare routine and include this and like show you all my like favourite products, because I feel like I know quite a lot of products about like getting rid of spots, because I've tried a lot. Like winter routine as well, like show you the serums and things I like, so definitely let me know below if you'd like to see that. Okay, so I'm going to end today's vlog here. I really hope you enjoyed it. I hope you liked watching kind of a daily vlog at uni, and obviously the whole travelling back scenario. I feel like it was more of a train chat video, but yeah, I hope you enjoyed the vlog. If you did enjoy it, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, and if you haven't already, I would love for you all to stick around, join the little family and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye!